went beep, beep, beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep.
Let me help you start. While
Mommy can sing in my bed like it's not too wise surprise.
A little
Nash Rambler was following me about and third my
size. The
guy rusted while his shoe passed me up as he kept on tooting his horn.
I'll show him
That Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, beep,
beep, beep.
beep, beep.
His
His
horn
horn went beep, beep,
beep,
beep,
beep.
beep.
I
Push
push my
foot
down.
down to the floor to give the guy the shake. But the little Nash Rambler stayed right behind him and
still had
on his brake.
He must have
His
thought
cat
had more
on got
guts as he kept
on shooting his horn. Horn.
I'll show
Dim that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep.
his
Horn
horn
went
beep,
beep, beep, beep.
My car went into
Past thing here and we take off a gust. Soon we're doing 90 and lost them in the everything there. I couldn't believe my eyes. And then I remember right behind him. I think that guy was like beep, beep, beep. His horn was beep, beep, beep. And we're taking rambling thoughts and we got off at cut. Well, soon we were doing 90. I lost him in the brakes and peeked in the mirror
of my
car.
I couldn't believe my the little
Nash Rambler was behind me and licked that guy flew by. Beep, 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 beep.
his horn went beep, beep, beep.
beep.
Now we're doing
How is this out
110.
there?
This
And
certainly
then
was
on a race. And
for
ran about the Cali and we would take that face and get peeked in the mirror. Da da da.
What happened? You lost it.
About the
Where-
second safety. Beep, 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 beep.
You kind of lost it at the end.